Okay, so let's set up a Google Alert to show you how it works. First things first, I'll just type alerts into the search engine, and then here we go at the top, so google.co.uk/alerts if you want to use the URL directly. This is the alerts homepage if you like. You can see some suggestions here. They're pretty general at the moment. You can see those here. Now, what Google Alerts does is it monitors the internet for new content, and then it allows us to pick some content and have that emailed to us. And that can be as frequently or as infrequently as we like. So let's not dwell too much on how that can be useful yet. Let's set one up here. So let's say we're interested in construction projects in London. Okay, now as you can see here, I've just typed in a fairly general term, I'd say, and Google Alerts is already showing me some really recent posts and news. So it shows us here the headline, here where it came from, which of course is important because you want to use a reasonably reliable source, hopefully, and then a bit of a summary, so some information about the story itself. Now, what we do here is we just add an email. So let's put OK, and then we could just click create alert, but let's take a look at the options. So if you don't want to be bombarded, or if you need to get the latest news all the time, we could say as it happens. If you don't want to be bombarded with it, you could say at most once a week. And what that'll do is just collate the information for you. We can also narrow down what kind of sources we want to go for, which again can be very useful. It really depends what industry you're in and what you're trying to achieve with each alert. The region, the language, self-explanatory, and then the results, of course. Sometimes it's useful to get everything, and sometimes you just want the most popular or the best. And that's really it. You click create alert, and okay, so I've used a fake email address there, and Google will set that up for you, and you'll start receiving these in your inbox. And that's all there is to it.